Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your personal computer, step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Roblox.com website. You will need to create a free account, which is a straightforward process. Simply provide your birth date, choose a unique username, and create a strong, secure password. This account will be your gateway to countless adventures and creative experiences within the Roblox universe. Once your account is set up, you can begin exploring the vast library of games available on the Roblox website. There are thousands of user-created experiences to discover, ranging from action-packed adventures to intricate simulations. When you find a game that sparks your interest, simply click on its thumbnail to visit its dedicated page. Then, select the prominent green play button to start the process of installing the necessary Roblox player application. After clicking the play button, your browser will prompt you to download and install the Roblox player. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete this quick installation. Once the player is successfully installed on your computer, the game you selected will automatically launch, immersing you directly into the experience. You are now ready to jump into the action and explore the incredible worlds Roblox has to offer. Beyond playing games, Roblox offers extensive opportunities for personalization. You can customize your in-game avatar with millions of combinations of clothing, accessories, and animations, making your character truly unique. Engage with a vibrant global community, chat with friends, and even create your own games to share with others. The possibilities are nearly endless within this dynamic and creative platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.